others to whoever joined right now. Go ahead, introduce yourself in the most easiest and simple way. You tell your stacks. After that, I'll be actually asking a lot of questions. I want this whole session to be interactive. And sorry, Manik is the host, not me. Go on, Manik.
Okay, cool. So I guess this is the time. So brace yourself. And hello, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you to this special session with one of the most inspiring voices in web development today, Mr. Praveen Kumar Purushottam. Praveen sir is a director of engineering with 12
Stop.
years of experience building amazing web apps. He's also a globally recognized mentor, a Microsoft MVP, and a top contributor on Stack Overflow with a knack for breaking down complex tech into easy, practical advices. Today, he's here to share his insights on full stack development, career growth, and how to stay passionate in this ever changing tech world. So, get ready for an engaging, interactive session filled with real world stories, useful tips, and maybe even some foodie fun. Let's give a warm welcome, everyone, and we can start the session.
By the way, Manik, two things. It's not Purushottam, my dad's name. It's Purushottaman. And secondly,
Purushottam.
never call sir. That's one of the insults. So
Okay,
just Praveen. Yeah, cool.
nice, Praveen.
Uh, so hey everyone, I think we have got a lot of hey, nice Kashika, nice to know. My name is Praveen. I'm originally from Chennai, India. Currently living and working in London as a full stack JavaScript specialist, director of engineering. The way I introduce to people is my wife is JavaScript, my girlfriend is React.js, and I'm a full stack developer. Yep. So we can talk a lot of things about how amazing React.js is and how many of you here. Okay, this is going to be extremely interactive. That is what I want to know. Um, I want to make sure that everyone is interactive. And please, everyone, can you tell me what are your tech stacks? Or wait, best question is very simple question. Have you used React? Yes or no? If you have used, what is your level? Beginners in React, intermediate in React, expert in React. I wish there will be at least one or two. And not used React yet. This is your first time. I want to know this. Okay, we could see, yes, very beginner, beginner. Oh my God, this is nice. Lot of beginners. Nice to know. So that I can actually make an informed decision of what works best for you all. Okay, this is amazing. So I believe a lot of people here are university and college students, right? Oh wow, late. We have another huge message from someone. See, the person who is definitely worth for 1 year premium of Canva subscription. Thanks, Shajita. That's amazing. Super cool. Bhavi is actually some kind of expert. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, let me quickly read through Shajita's message. Uh, amazing. Super buddy. That's very nice. That's very nice. Awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with basic stuff. I think it's React is for beginners this time. So obviously that is the title. I know that. So we are here to learn about what exactly React, how it is going to work, and in a very 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 simple way. So I know that a lot of people here are beginners in React. What about the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which are basically important or needed for these things? How many of you are um, how many of you are good with? Okay, expert, there you go. Nice. By the way, for everyone including Manik, no sir, it's an insult. Just call me Praveen. Cool. Awesome. I could not find anything. So I'm not sure if we can also add some polls or something like that. We do have polls and quizzes, but since people are just joining in, so okay, cool. I will just go ahead with assumption that you know basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So we will go with React and other things. Okay. So the first thing that we are gonna do is how React works, why we need to use React, and before that, let's have a quick round of like another shameless publicity from my end. By the way, Manik, do you have anything else to say? Oh, Dairya, I was one of MLH coach. I don't know whether that was visible. So one of the MLH coaches, once upon a time, one single day, I really did not like the way they wanted. to select people because they wanted only experts to be in the coaching area or like what anything coming in. But I, on the other hand, I want people who have got zero knowledge. I want to make them much better. These are the things that I wanted to do. So kind of like a clash between their thought process, my thought process. I said like, okay, bye. I'm doing my own work here along with all these communities while you do what you want to do. One day MLH coach. So that's exactly how I got it. And yeah, I do have my own MLH t-shirt as well. It's lying there, but I wanted to sound authentic. So I got my JS developer t-shirt. Anyway, super. Okay, cool. So you are from cinematography, photography, UI, UX. That's amazing. Okay, so the first thing that we are gonna see is why React, what makes me go inside React, how did I get to know React, etc. etc. Simran, hey Simran, please don't call me sir. I can't stress enough, everyone is equal, and sir is an insult to me. Okay, cool. First thing is, let's have a quick look at what actually I wanted to show a few people. Like, for example, before that, let me quickly share my screen and showcase a few stuff. It's all going to be completely practical. So ask me any questions every single second. I know I'll get distracted, but still okay. It's always nice to learn and talk and stuff like that. Okay, so this is me. I want everyone to have an amazing portfolio. How many of you have a portfolio like this? So this is my portfolio. It's actually responsive, so I'll just like reduce it. So this is how the portfolio looks, and I hope it looks nice. So we have got like blogs and what does these things do, etc., etc. So the fun part is what I want you to say is like have a portfolio ready, and I do have my own YouTube channel as well. So let's also make sure you do a collab, and if you have time, you can go and subscribe to YouTube. So that's one more thing, and I have got some social media um, goodies. How many of you are here who are enjoying goodies? The reason why I have MLH hat always is so we always love about MLH swags, right? Swags are like really, really fun. And then who wants all these things for free? So, hey MLH, it's a free shout out for you. Okay, fine. They don't want me to associate. Okay, cool. Apart from this, if we, Manik, you tell me, what is the not your university, but your college or something. Let's not blame them. Okay, let's do one thing. Colleges in Tamil Nadu. And let's go to one of the random college. Um, I don't want to use my college name as well. Let's go to the best college here. Okay, VIT we can take. Let's do a Google search on this. Basically, oh wow, look at this. Engineering college in India. Is this even a valid title? Anyway, so if you take any website or something like this, I'm talking about why we need to use React or why React is better. So this is like this is the homepage of this college. Actually, this college homepage looks really nice. So if we go here, there is an about us page. There is a campus page. Probably okay. Let's go to this Chennai thing. Then we have. Um let's click on the leadership or something like that. If you see here, all these pages have almost similar I think this college is involved with political stuff. I'm just going to close it. So if we see this, all these colleges have got almost similar structure, and all these pages have got similar structure and stuff like that. If you're using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or just pure HTML and CSS, you definitely need some kind of a backend to make all these different pages as individual pages. But if you're using a backend or something like that, you can actually change in one place, and all these navigation forms and those common elements will be reusable in another way. So, for example, if people who have got, oh wow, Kashika Gupta, you are also a cat lover. Okay, definitely you are getting something amazing for this, for telling something cool fact about you. Are we connected on LinkedIn? Send a message. Send a message telling that I am also a cat lover. I'm gonna give you something like a nice gift card or something like that. See, there's another one. Okay. Yep. Super. So if you change in one place, it gets updated in multiple places, but it is not possible if you don't have a backend. How many of you have a backend knowledge, like something like Node.js, PHP, MySQL, Java, J2EE, like the web server, backend web server. You might all have heard of something called as partials, right? So you have a full HTML page, right? And then you have multiple, um, yes, basic knowledge is enough. Yes. So you might use Express and Node.js. Yes, in Node.js, PHP, WordPress, etc. I hate WordPress. Forget about that. But PHP, you might use partials. Express, you might use partials. Django, you might use partials. Laravel has got partial blades, etc. Right? So this, is it possible in HTML and CSS? No, it is not possible. So for that reason, we can use something like a JavaScript based. Obviously, that's actually a tough thing because only if you enable JavaScript, React will work, which is okay, fine. If you want a Ferrari to drive, you need to have a Ferrari engine. If you don't have an engine, even that will not work, right? So it's better to use the modern browser, and this is only for those audience who are using the modern browser, so they can actually get a lot of amazing things. By the way, I think the webinar bot is also recording all these things. If you are recording, please ask permission before. So I mean, like, what happened was, like, I got an email saying like, "Hey, we just scraped your public. It's obviously it is public, and they are not doing anything nonsense and nothing private here, right?" So they just sent me a mail saying like, "Hey, your recording is now public in Webinar TV," and something like, dude. But it was so nice. It is scary as well as so nice. But I did see that one of their bots have joined, and yeah, okay, fine. I'm happy to allow that. Okay, cool. So that is fun. And because of this reason, the partials reason, we have something like React.js. React.js is a library, not a framework, which means who are the three mummurtis of these front-end development? We have React, Vue, Angular, Svelte. Okay, Vue, Angular, Svelte, these three things are frameworks. React is a library, which means if you have an existing HTML site or a WordPress site or even a Django site, inside that you can actually insert a React application. .NET lalla, we have like some kind of a plugin where you can actually run a React code, and then that works along with the .NET thing. And by the way, Manik, I believe you don't know, you don't understand Tamil or Telugu, right? I don't understand Hindi, मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती. So if we have to talk with each other,
But I know English.
exactly. If we have to talk with each other, we only use English. Similarly, a front end and back end can talk to each other using two different things. One is JSON and one is XML. XML is like the boomer uncles, so bye to XML. But JSON is the right now current trending standards. I believe a lot of people will know about what JSON is. JavaScript object notation, right? Oh, should have asked this as a question to everyone, and someone would have got a goodie for explaining what it is. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, it's fine. Leave it. So JSON is one of the most easiest and basic structures where you can talk to the backend. So this is the basic stuff, and with React, it talks to the backend using JSON and most of the front end applications. Okay, super. So enough of theory. Let's go on to practical stuff. By the way, we have two ways where we can create a React application. Before that, how many of you have worked on Node.js? Just say yes, worked on Node.js for this much years, or I have not worked on Node.js. Okay, we can just look at the comments. Just yeses coming in. Oh, amazing. Super. The reason why I'm asking, don't just put yeses. Um, we don't know what is the context because we are talking and we are just getting yes and other things. So super, super. That's amazing. So what I'm gonna do now is let's go ahead. Okay, there will be a lot of things that will be pushed to you. Like we are gonna do a lot of stuff, and I'm gonna tell you how I would be doing based on what your response is. Okay. So for example, if we are going to build something really cool, I'm going to ask you if I should build it in this way or that way. So let me quickly go to Google. I mean, no need to use google.com, but still, if everyone can go ahead, not now, type in Praveen Dev Environment. Oh, wow. That's actually suggested by Google. The first thing that you see is, oh, shit. This will not work. I'm so sorry, Grace. This is one of the worst things that I could do for myself now. Interesting. All right. So I wanted to show you about my tech setup, but anyway, I'll just go through by hand manually. Okay, so basically I have a VS Code, and this is what I use with a couple of extensions. Is my screen visible perfectly for everyone? This is something that I wanted to know so that everyone knows it is good. Okay,
Yes,
cool.
visible. Can you zoom in on the browser too? Is it
Browser,
possible?
yeah, I'll zoom in when I'm opening something.
Cool,
Browser cannot be zoomed in right away. So
cool.
without anything opened, we cannot zoom in. Okay, so what I wanted to use is like just a VS Code is enough for me for doing literally anything. Because if I go to GitHub, let me try opening a particular thing in my repository. So this is my profile. This is my GitHub profile. I'm just going to create a new repository here. I'm just gonna put as Hack Aura. I hope this webinar is about Hack Aura, right? I've been taking the same webinar
Yes, yes,
multiple
yes.
places and I totally forgot about the name.
Yes.
Okay, Hack Aura React 101. Okay, cool. So live stream of Praveen with Hack Aura on React 101. So what I would do is I'll create a simple repository first so that it starts with something. So I create the repository. The way I install this is, let's copy this whole thing, and then I'm gonna see, it's gonna ask, how do you want to open a new folder or clone a repository? I'm gonna say clone. Don't press the clone from GitHub even though you're gonna go to GitHub. What I will generally do is, this is a unique, like nice tips, nice to have, because I have been working with the industry for what, almost like 10 years, 15 years, right? So these are the things that I should have done before. I should have known this before, something like that. So what I do is, like, I use clone from URL and I add my username here so that I don't want to put my password every single time. And it is not about cloning from GitHub, it's like cloning from this URL. And if I open that, it will ask me where exactly I should clone it. For now, I'm just going to give it in GH repos and then use this one. And I'm going to open it in the same folder. Yes, I trust the authors. I don't want to use any AI tools at this point, but you are free to use whatever you want to do. So let's make this a bit bigger. Cool. Any questions so far? So this is one of the first tips that I wanted to give you with respect to cloning the application. Okay, now there are two ways you can start a React application. Okay, the first thing is, all these applications are gonna use Node.js and Node packages and stuff like that. It's a proper JavaScript project, which means you need to have certain things installed. Okay, so okay, before that, why am I using VS Code? So I've got a terminal inside this. I've got a file manager inside this. I've got a Git inside this. I've got literally everything. What all the applications that I'm using at this point? I'm using these things, like, for extensions. Okay, this is not my personal machine at this point, so nothing seems to be here. And unfortunately, my blog is also down. So let's actually try this. I just need to go to this was. I think this should be the best thing. Okay. How do I find all the users? Oh, users.tech. Okay, cool. So this is a cool website where I actually added my name as, yeah, what all things that I have been using and stuff like that. So this one should be the thing. Copy link. And I'm gonna use web.archive.org. Hopefully, at least this is not blocked my computer. Yep, super. All right, so let's go with this guy. I need to work on my web application update. Super. So this is what I was planning to show you all. Maybe the previous one. Come on, why is it not coming? Anyway, super. So we have got these things in this. So I use Chrome, Google Chrome, and then Chrome has got a certain number of extensions. For example, I've got AdBlock Plus, AdBlock, and um, React developer tools, etc., etc. Zoom is the main thing that I talk to people. Git. How many of you want to do time traveling with Git? So time travel, go back in time and fix things. So that's one of the best ways. iTerm2, it is actually a terminal replacement. So that looks like this. This is iTerm2, and it's only available for Mac. And then the other thing is, oh wow, I didn't do this. Okay, I think I messed it up. Good. Thanks for asking. I don't want to quit it. Then there is this OMI-ZSH. It's one of the best things ever. And Sublime Text, we are not talking about that now. VirtualBox, Vagrant, Scotchbox, Adminer, it's meld. Every single thing is for LAMP stack applications. In case if you are interested in LAMP stack development, please talk to me. This is not related to LAMP stack. So, yep. Absolutely, yes, Kashika. So we have this main thing called Visual Studio Code, where I have prettier code formatter, then we have Cobalt 2 theme, etc. No, I really miss my original installation. I have to do all these things again. So there are like a couple of extensions that actually help me with a lot of things, but yep, we'll do it later. Okay, so coming back to what we are working on right now. So we need three major things for this. So first thing is Node, then we have npm, and then npx. So what is Node? This is the main JavaScript runner. This is the engine that runs the React applications and other things. Now we have npm. Npm stands for anyone? Node Package Manager. Okay, no one has answered. Okay, someone answer this one. Okay, so this is npx. Npx is for Node Package Execution. So we will be installing a lot of dependencies in terms of like JavaScript related stuff. So the first thing that we will be doing is check whether you have Node and npm installed. So Node-v gives you the version. It says version 22. So in case if you don't have Node, you just go to nodejs.org and get the stable version. So if you go to the get Node.js, make sure you go for the LTS version. LTS is the most stable thing. It's called long-term support, and the latest version for LTS is 22. Current version is 24. It has not been named labeled as LTS, so just don't go for it. 23 and odd numbers, please don't go for it. NodeMon is amazing in the area. It's mainly for static site development, but we do have HMR, hot module replace. So don't worry about it. Okay, so yeah, use that, and then using NVM, we can also use NVM or anything. So this works too. Oh, interesting. Do we need all these things? This is complicated. Anyway, so just go ahead and download the installer package. So pre-built Node.js for Mac OS, Windows, Linux, AIX. I have got no idea what it is. And then you have got multiple architectures inside that. You want x64, x32, or you want a Intel or Silicon version, something like that. So that's something that you can get it from nodejs.org. So once you get that, you can check whether the Node.js is installed. Here it is 22 version, which is perfect. And then you have to check the npm version and npx version. These two will be the same versions, npm and npx. So you got all these things done. Okay, so now we have got everything set up. We can either do using something like create React app or create a Vite app. So the easiest way for everyone, npm is like traditionally it's been used. Yarn is the better alternative. So go with Yarn or PNPM if you have got it. So Yarn is one of the best package managers and they are really good. So in case if you are going with Vite, let's go with Vite, Yarn, React. Okay, so we have a starter. So there is a simple starter tool. Vite and Yarn is good. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's go with Yarn and then let's go with Vite installation as well. So there is this thing called as Yarn create Vite. So let's try with that one. And if you start with this, it's going to do everything. What is the project name you want to give? So it's going to be Hack Aura React 101. And then I want to use the React application. I don't want to use TypeScript today. So I'll go with the JavaScript and it's going to create a, this is exactly what I did not expect. So it actually created a directory. So let's do one thing. I'm just going to do RMI RF. Don't use this command without knowing what you are doing. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this and I'm gonna put dot here, React, JavaScript. Boom, that worked. And if we have a quick look at the package.json, oh wow, this is amazing. So this is something that I was planning to tell as well. It's a private project which is type of a module and stuff like that. So this boilerplating took like less than 10 seconds. And if I go do it's a yarn, right? If we do a yarn, if we do a yarn installation, it doesn't take more than a minute based on your uh, speed or anything. Usually what we do is something called as create react app. This is the old ancient times where we use npx create react app and we create a react application. So this is how we do. This automatically installs everything that is needed for our application. Look at this, 13 seconds, 13 seconds plus 1 or 2 seconds. Yes, create react app is deprecated. Please do not use this. Yeah, so that's the reason we used yarn, and that too within 20 seconds we have got an application up and running. So if we do yarn dev here, it probably is going to open up the application. It doesn't open up, so that's fine. Let's open it manually. Boom, that's here. Now the fun part is it uses something called as hot module replacement. Yarn is extremely efficient than npm, and it has got a lot of amazing upgradation strategies to get things up faster and running. That is the main reason. And coming to the main part here right now, we have let's go with the React application. Why is this so good? The first thing is it has got something called as hot module replacement. Who is gonna be my um, okay? Let's take Kashika Gupta's as an example. So I'm just taking your name as a volunteer. If you are okay with that, Kashika. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting a paragraph tag and then I'm just saving it. See, I'm not refreshing this page at all. So if I'm just selecting something and then I'm just gonna put change anything, something here or awesome or something like this. See, the selection has not changed, which means it did not refresh the page while it refreshed the node that is actually working on it. So it says save to, right? I'm just gonna put save 3. That might go away. So this particular, oh wow, please just get lost. Okay, so this is the hot module replacement, which actually replaces everything node level, which is extremely efficient, which is extremely faster, helps you with the development and other things. So pretty much that's it's a virtual DOM. Yes, it's a virtual DOM and it's a hot module replacement. It's a layer above the original DOM, so the speed is extremely good. So that's one thing. Let's talk about some magic and then we will see a real use case. Let's explore how this particular application is built. So if you go ahead and look at the directory structure, so it has got these files. Okay, so node modules is typically with every single application. So every single JavaScript or Node.js package will have this. It is 50 MB of files that you did not create. It is created by other people. Like for example, your computer, you did not do it. Something like that. It is something to support your machine or support your development environment. As simple as that. And coming back to other stuff, you have an src folder. This is where your main files and folders reside. So we already have an assets folder. Then we are going to use a components folder. Then we have a style folder and working with a bigger scale application or an enterprise level application. So public folder has got something that can be downloaded here. For example, if I'm creating a file called hello.html here, hey, here's chiffon, something like this. I just put this. So what I can do is if I do slash hello, probably this might not work. Yeah, it doesn't work. So if I put slash hello.html, this will show up here. So it is basically your public version of things. That's it. Okay. So this will be anything that you use here will directly go to the main index page. So there is a reason for this. We have something like a routing or something like that. So okay, cool. So let's delete this file. We don't need this. So far, am I going fast or is it okay? Or should I go slow? Is the speed okay? I'm trying to explain every single thing as easy as possible. I hope my accent did not change to any British accent or something like that. Okay, cool. A lot of people say it's okay. Super. Okay, but please keep your questions coming and little slower. Sure, Anya. Okay. Now, if we go and look at have JSON has got a lot of things about what this application is all about. Okay, so that is the basic stuff. What is there? Why is this there? Etc. Etc. This is the configuration for Vite to run this whole thing. Yes, Vite will do all these changes by default, and you don't need to restart any server or anything. So unless and until you touch the package.json Vite config, you don't need to refresh it. Okay, ESLint is for just linting, making sure the code is quality of the code is good. Index.html, this is the main file that gets loaded here. So one thing that we can do here is let's change the title of this to hey, here's Shifana. They know. Get lost. Okay, so we are gonna do hack or a hackathon. Super. So how many of you here are ready for the social media challenge at this point? Ready? Okay, so far I believe you have actually seen something very basic, but I have something amazing to show in a few seconds. We're already 40 minutes over. Sorry about that. Okay, so here's our post. I want you to have, I mean, like it's up to you. This just keep this in mind. So once you see something amazing, please put something here. Put a comment like something here. Okay, so we'll close this for now. Okay, let's go back to our explanation of what is happening with the package JSON thing. So package JSON is a metadata README. It's a README file. Vite config yarn lock gets automatically created. We don't need to care about anything except index and the things in the SRC folder. Okay, things in the SRC folder. So what is happening at this point? We have got so many files here, right? So main.jsx, it should be here. App.jsx is a component file which can go into the components. Index.css, it's a CSS file. It can go to styles. Now, is this whole view very simple? App.css can also go to styles, but we will delete everything. Okay, let's delete everything. And we have one component which is app.jsx. Everything would have died by now. So that's why right now this should not work. This might not work, but it is working because of hot module replacement got messed up. Now tests, we are not concentrating on tests at this point. Services, if you are actually accessing some information from another website or a service, for example, you want the GitHub data to be displayed here, then services are the right place. Main.jsx is the main point. Cloudinary, not exactly Cloudinary. Cloudinary is for like showcasing, like it's about routing and other things, but this is mainly for accessing external APIs. Okay, now we have main.jsx. If we open the main.jsx, we could see a lot of crazy things that we don't know. Okay, let's not save this here. We need to do something in this. So there is the first thing. All these things will be generated for you, but you should know what exactly these do, these things. Create root is the main thing that creates the root element for the React and then renders the React application inside that root element. Strict mode, I don't know. Everyone is supposed to use strict mode in the latest version of React because it makes, if there is any errors, that kind of like, because JavaScript is very loosely typed, strict mode will make it kind of like proper, something like add more rules. Then we have app. That's it. The way you create applications, the way you import things is this way. You just import the app from the app.jsx, and now it is actually inside the components, right? I'm just gonna get rid of this. Great. So I hope this works. This doesn't work. Okay, let's use JSX. Oh, did I remove it? App.jsx is here. Okay, this has got a lot of issues. All right. So I'm just gonna get rid of everything here. And well, we need a simple app. I forgot to add all these, what should I say? Plugins. So now I'm actually getting affected a lot. So I'm just gonna put hello hack aura, and then next time for sure I will add all these things. RAFC, that's exactly what I was trying to put, but unfortunately, yeah, I forgot to add all these applications or something. Oh, interesting. What's wrong? Okay, so someone asked me whether we should restart. Yeah, everything is messed up. Restart it. That works. It did not. Oh, sorry, I forgot to remove this one. So we have hello hack aura at this point, right? Okay, super. Now, first thing that I wanted to show you is, believe there is a lot of no, bro. For RAFCE and RCC, we need the plugin, else it will not work. Even for CLM, nothing works because I forgot to install. This is a new installation. This is a completely new Mac, so those things will not work. I will. How many of you want a second part where I wanted to show you something really cool? Second part, please. Who wants the second part? I'm so sorry it went so long. Okay. All right. So this is a basic version where you can get an application up and running without AI, without any extra tools. Actually, extra tools are great, but without extra tools and extra things, we are able to get a basic React application up and running. So coming to the components part, remember I was talking about you have multiple things like header, footer, etc., and you can use all these things. Wish I could use RAFCE, but RAFCE is not available right now. I'll tell you what RAFCE is in the later part. So we have header, and then here is like or something like that. I'm just putting, like, we can also make this into a header one, and then we have hack aura here. So Apple, I can just go ahead. I cannot use multiple outcomes, multiple ones. So I have to use this way. So now, oh, yeah, please. That's what I wanted to do. But this will not work in this way. So if I put the header here, it will ask me whether I should import the header. Yep, please import it. So you have the hack aura as a header here. So this is the basic header stuff, and you've got something like a basic stuff. Cool. If first one gone crazy, we need second part. Yes, this one gone crazy. So yes, definitely second part, we will do it. But before that, let's do a small magic as well. I mean, like, people know that all these things will, okay. One thing that I wanted to tell us, the whole application has got a state type of things. So return, we have got these things, we have got this, we have got this, all these things are good. Okay, so there is something called as use state snippet. Okay, so use state will actually have, yeah, fine. Use state, this is the, dude, stop, really stop. Okay, so Copilot is literally giving you all the answers, but yeah, don't get so much on that. So I'm gonna put a text, then this is, yeah, yeah, okay, fine. Okay, so this is the text that it says, but I don't want the hello here. I'm just gonna get rid of hello here. So hello hack aura, and then we have got this way, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put two inputs, and then we've got, seriously, go for it. But yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to do as well. Yeah, accept it. Okay, cool. So we have got two of them. If I add these two things, there are like two text editors here. From the top, where exactly? From this? Okay, let it be there. All right. So if I try changing anything here, the reason why I'm saying React is so magical at times is, okay, wait. let me put up my magic, something like that, so that these things are like coming in the down. So if I say, for example, who is our best person here? Shajita. So this is one cool trick I usually do. And the another thing that I generally try to do is check the states. So what I usually do is uh, checking states. I make a pre-tag, and inside that, how many of you have used JSON.stringify? I use JSON.stringify. Yes, text, but, comma, null, comma, 2. This gives me something like this. So if I change anything here, every single place, if I do here, if I change anywhere, all these things get uniquely changed. I mean, like totally changed. So this is one single point of source of truth where you would be able to see something. And this is one of the magic that I wanted to show you in a simple way, where you can also demonstrate multiple things in this. States, props. So for props, it is easier as well. I'll show you how props can be done in the next session. And you can also talk about the event listeners, controlled components, functional components, a lot of things we covered in a single thing. Questions, I'm open for questions. And by the way, I would really love your comments and feedback on this post, and make it public so that I can also tell how amazing you people are there while coming in. And then there are like at least 25,000 recruiters in my LinkedIn connection. They will look at you, they will look at your comments. So definitely, yeah, Shajita messaged, or Bhavi or Kashika put a comment on that post. Definitely you were interested in React and stuff like that. React is on demand, growing, popular, etc. And people will love to hire you as well. And who is ready for, I'm actually working on two different products, and both of them are completely into React, and it is going to help you all as well. Actually, today I wanted to also do something magical. I know everyone is beginner here. That is the reason I kept everything very low. I was actually planning, okay, should I show, how many of you want to see that magical thing? We create a React application. That React application creates a complete static website. Okay, we could see a lot of me. And Avni, we are going to do this on collaboration as well. So before that, let me show you some quick showcase of what it is. So okay, I want to show two things here, which will be amazing. Let's get this thing. Okay, I'm just trying to get everything working and doing everything. So let's do this. Okay, first thing I need to also update everything. Okay, we don't need that at this point. Thought of doing something more, but it's okay. At least you all learned it. You know what exactly how things work, right? So let me show you this. In the meantime, Manik, can you take over for a few seconds? I don't want people to like
Yeah. Actually, I'm
keep
enjoying it.
them.
It's like a magic show, and we are here to show some magic using React, and I'm enjoying it. Uh, and I hope that everyone is also enjoying it. Any of the
Okay,
questions?
I want one more favor from you all. Take a screenshot of what we are doing at this point. Avni, you too. Put it on our groups and put it in LinkedIn and other socials that you are working on this. This is your feedback or something like that. It would be super amazing to learn from you as well. Okay, so okay, I'll just share my screen and do all those things what I'm trying to do. So basically, I was planning to go to my thing where okay, let's just directly go in. So I have a couple of playlists. So in those things, we have something like portfolio. How many of you here have a personal portfolio like mine? Oh, nice. Thank you, Avni. Thank you, Kashika. Okay. So Shifan, yes, you too. Nice. So what we did here is on a live stream, we created an amazing portfolio. So basically what happened here is this is one of my friends from JP Morgan Chase, a particular, she's now in Microsoft. So if you want a referral in JPMC or Microsoft, ask us. We created something like a portfolio website. It's a two-part one. So whatever you write here, it definitely shows out here. Where is this particular thing? This is the thing, right? So this is the portfolio generator. I will tell you another secret. GitHubBox.com will actually run the code from this. So it opens a code sandbox. Boom, we've got something amazing. It actually runs everything. Yep, it worked. Okay, cool. So if we open this one, here is the full finished application. Now, who wants a portfolio like right now? Tanvi, what do you mean by my LinkedIn profile is not visible? My LinkedIn profile is this thing, but here is the comment section. Just go on. Is this not working? Is this not working? Like, let's see. This is scary. I could see that people are able to message here. That's nice. Yeah, Tanvi, why is this not working for you? This should work. Okay, cool. So, thank you, Swagita. Okay, I'm looking forward to all the comments here. People who are putting comments will definitely receive something amazing. At the same time, how many of you want a premium? Okay, I think I'm giving a lot of goodies. Okay, let's do this. Praveen Kumar, LinkedIn Premium, 2 months. Okay, so who wants a LinkedIn Premium? Here you go. Whoever wants it. Oh, God, I pressed a wrong button. All right. Something messed up. I'm so sorry. Okay, so here is the link. So go ahead and tell me why you want it. Whenever I get a free coupon, I'm definitely giving it to you. But go ahead and check the feedback. This is the feedback link. So please, I would love to listen to you, and please go give me a connection request. Okay, so who was the person who wanted a portfolio like right now? Tell me. Someone quick. The first person after this. Okay, Manik, you're already here, man. Okay, so we will go with Shajita. Shajita, will you be able to switch on your video and also switch on your mic and talk to us? Um, unmute us to ask. How do I even unmute you? Interesting. Oh, yeah, ask to unmute. Oh, hi, Shajita.
Hello, sir. Hello,
Laura,
Praveen.
hey, should we go? Bye, bye, everyone. Don't call me sir, please.
Hello, Praveen. Yeah.
Great. Okay, cool. So, do you want to also switch on your video so that we all can see who you are and it's okay.
I'm in hospital actually, undergoing a treatment, so can't,
Please
switch
take
my.
care of you. Okay,
Yeah.
so I want you to quickly tell me all these things. So, Shajita,
Shivanandan, last name Sivanandha.
correct? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we need a photo of you. So, I'm just gonna steal it from your.
LinkedIn maybe.
Absolutely yes. So let me try opening this one. I'll also give a small cool tip later, but okay, for now we'll just go with this. Come on, why is this so slow? Yeah, LinkedIn is always slow, so we'll just go with this. Shadita, by any chance, Tamil தெரியுமா?
Yeah, Tamil நல்லா தெரியுமே.
Nice to hear that. That's it. Okay, I don't think this particular image works, but still we will just copy the image address from this. It's going to be just a small temporary thing, right? So we'll add this website link. I should have actually used the same LinkedIn link for you. LinkedIn, Shajit Sivanan. I hope you are accessible by LinkedIn. Sorry, YouTube. See, Google. Yes, you are. Okay, we'll just copy this one for now. Then about you. What should I put quickly?
Blockchain developer.
Okay, a blockchain developer. Keywords. We'll just add your name. Oh wow, look at this one. This is cool. Your name, your full name, then blockchain developer. Again, blockchain, comma developer, comma portfolio, personal website. website. Okay, what are you? Where are you? Okay, Coimbatore. Yeah, type in your full address to get kidnapped. Enter your phone number, about 987654321. Email address. What is your favorite company?
Shajita,
What is your favorite company?
Google,
ஓடு எத்து என்ன கலர் உனக்கு பிடிக்கும்?
black, maybe
Black.
red here. Red, red, red.
Tell something that is pleasing, something like that.
Pink, we'll go with this color.
This color. Okay, this color, right? Okay, that's it. Okay. You can add your experience on push. Hey, wait. What exactly is this thing? Is this a portfolio generator or is this a resume generator? Okay, whatever this is, something. Okay, position, amazing engineer. Oh, wait. We'll put something that is numbable. Staff engineer, Google. I am the best. Yeah, something. So start date Sep 2025. Just now. This is the present company. So we are not gonna use the thing. Education இப்போதைக்கு எதுவும் தேவையில்லை. Skills, lot of amazing stuff. Actually, interests, development. Okay, coding,
Product management.
product management. I think this was created like 100 years ago. I'm so sorry about the UI and other things. I'll talk to Manju to tell, like, make it better. Awards, achievement, and certification. Best developer award by Google. Okay, so there are multiple things in this. The first thing is you have a preview here. So how does this come? Does it even work? Hada pavingala. Pocha. Only thing that works is skills, interests. I don't see that this picture is also coming. Okay, actually, we can make this is actually responsive. Oh, wow. There you go.
Wow.
The fun part is this code is easily copyable. Do we have any copy things or something like that? Why, Manju, you did not do all these things? If Manju sees these things, she will kill me. Anyway, no blame games. Boom, it's done, dude. Experience, education. Ana yen experience varlan enak puriyala. I think I forgot to add your experience. Right. Forgot to add this. Hey, yenda. Ada pavingla. For some reason, it is not working. Maybe this is not the right thing. Right role or. That's the problem. Okay, cool. So we have this one. The code is here. So if we just copy this whole thing and go back, put it here. Experience, staff engineer at Google. Education, particular. Skills, a lot. Amazing stuff. Interests, boom. Awards, these are the awards you have got already. So it returns a HTML file when you download it. The same thing with this thing. So download works in the similar way where we use, what do you call this thing called? Data URIs. This will be so cool. And these are a couple of things that you can do. How many of you want to see something more amazing than this? So this is one simple example, which I thought of showing you. Do you want to see something big? Anyone who wants to see a bigger magic than this, I need at least 20 comments on that post then. 20 comments on the post. Feedback kudungappa. Please give me write something nice on this one. Okay, cool. So let's go for one more super cool thing. This is something that I wanted to personally show it. I'm just trying to find out. It is in a private repository. Cool. I have done a lot of cool things here. So how many of you have got an idea about what Karo Verify or Sandri is? Have you seen these things? This is our certificate generator app. Nice, no? I'll show you something really, really cool. I don't remember who I recently sent this. But let's. Oh, yeah, actually, yes. I remember. It was Vijay Lakshmi. How many of you want a certificate that can be verified here? So we'll do something like that as well. So all those people who have come here, you would be getting a verifiable certificate as well. So I'm just stealing whatever I um, sent to. Hey, Kashika is here. Kashika, are we connected on LinkedIn? If it is, yes, we are connected on LinkedIn. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm gonna send you something really cool. My LinkedIn is one of the worst and slowest. Oh yeah, yeah. The reason is I have opened multiple LinkedIn thing. That's the reason. Okay, now I understand. Awesome. I'll give you a year-long LinkedIn premium. All these things are public. Why is this so slow? Okay, cool. Where is Vijay? Okay. Now we need to really get that part. No personal message reading anyone. Okay, so we have this thing. So what this particular thing does is, um, even I don't know. Hey, that's you, man. Why? Where is it? Okay, it's not here. Should be somewhere here. Should be before that. Uh, there you go. So this is how it comes. Okay, so you go and click on claim certificate, and then let's say we copy something like already existing person, and then we give this one claim. No, no, wait, not this. That will not work. Okay, that actually messed up something. Claim certificate, this is the number, this is the email address. Claim the certificate. Oh, why is this not even working for me these days? Okay, claim certificate. It checks for something and then it stops. Really? This is the worst demo I could show. Sorry about this. Reading null of trimmer. What did I trim and where did this happen? Um, Sorry, folks. I'm just trying to debug. Okay, so this happens in the real life of a developer as well, right? So let's see what exactly is wrong with this one. It was working previously. I don't know why it stopped working suddenly. So let's see the network as well. Maybe I think something is wrong with the network. No, it works. All things work. Cool. It's going here. See. So this says success. We found your certificate. Saksham Gupta. Once you click on my certificate, here is get my certificate. Boom. This certificate is verifiable as well. This is the same thing, something similar you would be getting. So if I go back to the verification page, so go back to this, and if I open the verify certificate, this is the certificate number, this is the participant side, and then if I click on this, boom, this certificate is valid and it was awarded to Saksham Gupta. And thanks for participating in this particular event. And this event details are in LinkedIn here. So this is what happened, and I'm pretty sure that person came in. So this is an up. Okay, do you see how we did all these things? So now, Shafin, you're right. But actually, I did all these things to make sure it will not make a problem. But okay, got it. It's my fault. Super. Now, the thing is, I need to check that code. This can be automated. Like, let's say we have not this one, not this one either. We'll just open this thing. We have this particular thing, right? This is the post that I asked you to comment on. Oh, not this one. Where is the where's the feedback post? I think this one, right? No, this is LinkedIn post, not this one. 762. This is the post. Sorry about that, please. Okay, this should be the post. So if we open this, we definitely have this poster here, right? Ayyo, idla poster illa. Why am I doing this? Really? I'll just go back to Vijay Lakshmi's message. Sorry, dude, we are just exposing some personal messages here. Okay, let's close this. Let me do this way. And then let me open that thing. Okay. So if I copy image. All right. So we have this here. Okay. I'm just going to go to imgur.com. Be a good citizen. Don't scrape images from different websites. Use a CDN. IMGUR is a CDN website. So let's open this one. So we have got this image here. I'm just going to use the L version of it so that it is simple. Okay, super. So now if I just go to jsben.com, I don't know what I'm doing. At least I hope everyone is like learning something new out of what all things that I'm doing, right? So this is the image, right? So now if I go to this particular application and then run this, before anything, I'm just closing this one. Cool. So here, if I say it's okay, so before anything, change this, change this. Nice. Now, Sandra instance URL. What do we want here? Hack Aura Praveen. I'll just put Hack Aura Praveen. Okay. And I think we are actually building the certificate generation engine for our current thing in front of every one of you. Okay. So thank you so much for being a participant of Praveen's Hack Aura React 101 for beginners. Okay. And okay, I'm just going to ask someone from Hack Aura team, whether it is Manik or Vijay Lakshmi, which one should I use? Which color should I use here?
You can
For
use
the
your favorite color.
my favorite color. My favorite color is the FFA 500, which is an orange. Oh, we'll just leave it this way. Okay. And the URL for this event is this one, so that people can go here. YouTube link, let it be
Someone in the chat is saying purple. Tanvi saying, so we can use purple.
purple. What is the purple color? I'm colorblind. Purple RGB. Where is purple? Okay, 128, blue 128. That's it. Red and blue 128, right? Red 128, 0, 128. Tanvi, are you happy with this color? I don't know how this color is going to affect. You don't know. You will see it in a few minutes. Yes, sir. Sir, illada. Tanvi, no, don't say sir. Tanvi, send me your LinkedIn profile. Let me quickly open and see if that works. You initially said that it was not opening, right? So we only have participants here. So I'm just going to give participants. I'm just going to put Praveen's Hack Aura React 101 for beginners. So I'm just going to put this one organized by Hack Aura. Yep. So we did that. Tanvi, can we have your LinkedIn profile, please? This is my experience of something like this.
Organized by girls reading tech. We can put it. No, we can cut Hackora.
I'm just sorry.
We can cut Hackora, just remain girls reading tech.
Bro, we are just doing something simple, bro.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what we are gonna do is hit the client code. You got a lot of files. You can download it as well. The way you downloaded it from the other one. Server code, we don't care about this at this point. Someone was actually asking me how I do all these things. So preview. Here you go. This is the landing page. Now whoever chose that blue color, why is that purple color not? Oh yeah, the purple color is here. Okay, in that case, you have to also change the background color. Tanvi, background color, please. Tanvi, don't insult me by telling sir again and again. Just send me your link. Okay, then we could check her. Okay, let's try to. Okay, fine. We'll do it later. Then we background color, please. Something light.
We get a request of lavender and sky blue. Now, it's your choice.
Sky blue, lavender. Both are my close. I'll I'll go with sky blue. I know sky blue is 87 CEEB, but sky blue RGB. See, 87 CEEB. I told you, right? uh, okay, if you're using lavender or sky blue, that will not work because sky blue and lavender are similar colors, and it has to be something contrasting. So we'll go with sky blue. Lavender will be not possible. So let's do sky blue. 135, 206, 235, right? So this is the color. Let's close this. Let's go with this one. 135, 206, 235. Okay, so that why what happens here? You see this way. Okay, so that's the sky blue one. So you got this one, claim certificate, verify certificate, and then we have an error 404 page as well. That looks like this. Then we have a claim success page. That looks like this. Oh, there you go. That's where the problem comes. You see? Okay, and finally we have a validation success page. We get this one as well. So this whole thing can be automated this way, and this is the import export for it. I'm just going to put this here so that I can actually use this in a different way later. And then there you go. That's it. So this is basically a React application. So if you look at this sandbox, it's basically a React application, and it has got every single damn thing to create a complete platform. How's this? Now I'm open for questions, and we can have a quick chat. Now go ahead and give me some good feedback in that link. Sorry, I'm just putting that link always. So, but anyway, so this is the link anyway. So I'm gonna read every single feedback. And who wants a job with me? Who wants to work with me? Amazing. Over to you, Manik.
I'm speechless, and it's just magic. It's not like we are hosting a React show. It's like we are hosting a magic show, and you're the magician here. You've shown us so many tricks, tips, and it's really cool. And your energy is unmatched. Like throughout the session, you are so high, and your energy is contagious. To be honest, I love the session, and I believe that everybody in the attendees would gonna like enjoying the session, laughing, smiling, sharing, and enjoying the magic show. And it's like amazing. Uh, and thank you so much, Praveen, for coming, for accepting our invite, for giving your valuable time, and for showing so many magic today. It's
Thank
amazing,
you.
and I would definitely love to leave a very beautiful feedback on your post, and would gonna post a separate post, especially dedicated to you. Thank you so
Who
much.
wants to take a screenshot right now?
Yes, can we make the floor open for all so that if anyone is interested, they can come
They can
switch
switch
their
on their
video on.
videos. Yes,
Then we
go
can
ahead and
click a
switch on your
picture.
videos now. We should definitely take a.
How to do that? Can you please do this?
I mean, taking a screenshot.
No, no, no. That anybody can come and switch on their video. Everyone
They
has
can
the
they can do
access.
it right now. Yeah. They can do it. They can even
Yeah.
open up their. They can unmute themselves as well. Like you, whoever wants to switch on their mic, they can also switch on and talk. Go ahead.
Wonderful.
Whoever wants to
Cool.
talk, just go for it.
Hi, Bhavi. Anyone, if you want to come in the frame, we are clicking the picture with the magician here. This is the time, right? We will be waiting for one. Just a second. People are coming in, so just come because we only have two lucky people here with us, Kashika and Bhavi. Nice. I guess others are shy, but they are really confident. So
We can
maybe,
understand if you don't want to
yeah.
be popular.
No, at least they got the chance to click a picture with you, and it's amazing. How can we do this? Okay. Uh, okay, we got five people on the floor, and okay, we got six people. People are like setting their background and their hairs and like seeing, okay, is everything fine? Okay,
We have
then they
our
are
Vijay
coming.
Lakshmi as well. Hey.
Hey, Vijay Lakshmi is also here. Vijay Lakshmi might be
Vijay
thinking, oh my
Lakshmi.
God, all the
Did you see
messages.
that? Did you see the how we generated the certificates and stuff like that? Are you happy? Everyone is gonna get that soon.
Yes, sir.
Sarah, hey, let's block her. Bye.
Sorry. Sorry.
Okay,
Out
then
of all
Swagita,
people, you
please come
shouldn't
in
say
the
that.
frame. Please come in the frame. Yeah. Now let's click the picture.
Who's clicking the picture?
I'm clicking the picture.
Okay, do it.
Okay, done.
Vijay
Wonderful.
Lakshmi, can you just click one? Oh, come back, everyone. There is a reason for this. Vijay Lakshmi, can you click one and put it on our MLH team group?
Yes.
Go. And tell them how much they have missed it. Avni, if you can do that as well. Oh wow, it's not a screenshot, it's actually a phone camera shot. Okay, my hands are paining. That's it. Ow.
It's done.
Done, super amazing. Everyone should be jealous of why they could not attend it. Super dude. It was so amazing talking to you all. And Sunday afternoon or evening, thank you so much for coming in. And looking forward for more LinkedIn posts from you all to tag me, and then I'll have a look at it as well. Thanks, Shifan. Thanks, Bobby. Thanks, Kashika. Looking forward for everyone. And Avni, you still here, right? Yep. We are gonna do a collab soon with Manik, probably if you want, or else we'll ditch them. But first collab with us. Yeah.
Yeah, you're in the front row. Okay, let me know when we can have the meeting and we can do that.
Absolutely. Yes. Thanks, Avni. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone. Ta-da. Enjoy. Oh, wait. Bobby.
Bobby,
Talk something.
you're not audible, I guess. Nah, your voice is not audible.
Keep speaking.
Can you share your these photos and videos in Hackora group?
Done. It will be shared.
Okay, thank you.
I did not
Cool.
take any
Thank you
pictures,
so much.
unfortunately. So please go ahead, share it.
Yeah, definitely.
I want to see them. So
I'll be
thank you,
sharing there,
thank you.
and then you can like put a LinkedIn post. And don't forget to tag Praveen and Girls Dating Tech and Hackora, and then that would be definitely amazing, Bobby. Okay.
Awesome.
Sure, Apni done.
Thanks, Ajita.
Collaboration is done. Praveen is indeed a people connector. He connected with, and we got 2 collaborations here. Yeah.
We need Shifan in the group as well. If you can message him the link or something like that, that helps. Awesome. Thank you so much. Thanks, everyone. And have a nice Sunday. And ta-da. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Thank you so
Part
much
2,
for
we will
coming.
go. We'll go for part 2.
Okay, definitely. Okay,
Ta-da.
bye. Thank you so much, Praveen.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.